Bingaman Lumber has been committed to providing our customers with superior customer service, diversity of available species, and absolute product quality for over 50 years. Our manufacturing process caters towards product quality, not company profit. Our belief is that long-term company profitability is only achieved through satisfying the needs of our customers. It all starts in our grading station, where each piece of incoming rough lumber is meticulously inspected and graded. Our process relies on a dual combination of personal employee knowledge aided with advanced technology. Once the grading is assessed, the wood is prepped and ready to go into the kiln. Kiln-dried wood is once again assessed by our expert staff for imperfections to ensure high-quality standards are being met. Quality of product runs through our plant, whether it's the care in which each board is individually handled by our staff or the vacuum lifts in our automated systems. The goal is that our customers can feel confident in the end products we deliver. Bingaman Lumber is unique. Unlike other manufacturers, we handle each order as custom-made. Our technology allows us to maximize each piece of lumber to provide the optimum amount of usable material. Our synchronized systems allow us the ability to gang rip orders, then drill down specific customization. Whether it's providing customers with surfacing, ripping, finger joining, or any other customizations, Bingaman's manufacturing optimization provides short lead times, tailored products at a competitive price.